Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna restore, well basically change the body shell on the Nokia 7210. This is how the phone looks now. Missing the battery cover of course. And yeah, other than that it works. Man, I like this menu design. Cool. Right, let's get into it. Switch off. There's gonna be a lot of cleaning involved in this phone. But it's doable. There we go. It had a seal. Club Nokia service. Okay. Well, not so sealed anymore. Yeah. Now, take this out. The connector, I can just pull it. This is how the main board looks. Alright. Now here. Yeah, they're being held by clamps. If I take the display out, those should also come out. Right? Here's the square display. This is the metal frame over the plastic frame. Yeah, and the buttons are in clamps. This is the circuit board with the buttons. And here should be the microphone. And this is the earpiece. Just glued here. Come on you. Try not to damage the glue because I will reuse it. Okay. Now for the back cover. It also has here as if meant for you to put your fingers in here. This is the antenna. Here's the vibration motor. Here's the charging port. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning to do on this. The infrared port. This is the button, the power button actually. Oh, here is where it's held in place. There we go. The volume up and down button. And I'm guessing this thing is glued, yeah, this is glued here. Well, that was easy. Now I just have to clean this thing. So here's how it looks before. I'll get to clean it and I'll show you how it looks after. But before that, here are the clamps. There we go. The back cover release button. Now, let's get to clean it. And this is the after. Well, I had to use some strong detergent and water. And it got yellow immediately because of what was on this thing. And I hope I didn't damage the speaker with water. Yeah. So let's put it back together. Spring. Slide button. Fallen. Dang it. Sliding button. There we go. Good. Charging port. Little adjustment. Oh. Come on. Yeah, boy. I remember I did not clean something. Man. That's the main board, but I'll clean it right now. It should be fast enough. Okay. There you go. Power button. Yeah. The same door goes to the main board. The antenna. Wait. Meh. Okay. Now here. Put this in its place. This is a very easy phone to disassemble and put back together. It almost fell. Shoving the display in its place. And the metal cover that got dented here. There we go. Clicked in place. Good. This is ready. How the heck did I forget about this? A little rust here, but with a bit of scratching it comes off. Nice. Now here. The SIM card door. I also cleaned this thing. And to connect this, simple. Just put it here, press here where the connector is, it clicked, that's it. Now we just put this in its place. Making sure that the buttons are in their correct positions. Okay, checking them, click, 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 good. Right. Since I'm putting everything back, I'm putting the screw where it was. There's no problem if you touch this type of display. I'll put it upside down just to don't let dust get into it. Here we have the new body shell. I'd rather destroy the bag than the buttons. There we go. Take the protective screen off of it. Wow. Okay. And the button in their rightful place. This is why it was not. I'm gonna take this protective screen off as well because I can't press the button correctly. Okay. What's the problem here, boss? There we go. Little problem in paradise over here. Yeah, show this again. Well, it's better. Now, let's put this in its place. Like so. A SIM card in. And a battery. And this time we have a back cover. And it's done. Clearly better than before. Huh, red. Now. Yeah. Nice. Now you can see the screen clearly. Clearer. What do we have in the gallery? Cute. Three hours and 13 minutes. Not bad. So let me... I'll leave it like this. So this was my restoration video of the Nokia 72. I forgot. Wait, I have another one. Restoration video of the Nokia 7210. Let me turn it on again. Come on, I need to make a thumbnail turn on. There we go. Thumbnail done. I think the battery is dying. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Bye.